Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the grammar portion in which we were discussing the chapter number 4, that is kinds of adjective. Dear students, in this chapter we have read definition of adjective, features of an adjective, as well as the kinds of adjective, and we have also discussed what degree of comparison and synonyms and antonyms. Dear students, we were discussing the exercises given in this chapter, given on the page number 22. Dear students, I have completed the first exercise first, and today we will discuss the exercise second. So everyone just open the page number 22 and put out the pencil. Today we will discuss the exercise second, which is given at the page number second. Page number 22, exercise number second. Dear students, in the exercise number second, it is written that pick out the demonstrative adjective from the following sentences. Dear students, I have taught you what is demonstrative adjective. I have taught you that the word what, which and whose, these are the words when used as an demonstrative adjective, when it is used to denote something, when it is used to point out something. Okay, and we find this demonstrative adjective before the noun or pronoun. We generally get the word this, that, these, those and such. These are the demonstrative adjective which is used to show something, to point out something in the sentence. Okay, so we will see here the example, not example, exercises. Exercise first. Just see here, what is the teacher teaching? You see here the first question is given. In this question we have to pick out the demonstrative adjective. Just see the first second sentence which is given in your book. You will not write, you will see only. We have to only write the demonstrative adjective. What is that teacher teaching? Sorry, there is what. Okay, there is what. What is that teacher? Sorry, teacher teaching. Okay, students. Just see here. This is question also. And what is that teacher teaching? Here the word that is demonstrative. Here the word that is demonstrative adjective because it is used with the noun teacher. Okay, to show the teacher. Here the word that indicates the teacher, denotes the teacher, point out the teacher, that what is that teacher teaching. Here the word that is used to show the teacher, okay, to indicate the teacher. So here, dear students, here in this sentence blank is given here. Okay, here we have to pick out the demonstrative adjective from the following sentence. In this sentence you have to pick out the demonstrative adjective. So what is demonstrative adjective in this sentence? The word that is demonstrative adjective. So you just write down the word that in the given blank. Okay, just write down the word that in the given blanks. Okay, come to the second question. Second question. What is second question? Do you think these shoes would fit you? Just see the second question. Do you think these shoes would fit you? Would fit you? Yes, students, this is the second question. This is the second sentence. Do you think these shoes would fit you? Here, just see here. The word these these shoes. Here the word these is used to denote the shoes. These shoes. For example, as we say that this marker. Here the word this is demonstrative pronoun because we are using the word this to show the marker. In the same way, here the word these is used to show the shoes. Therefore, that is demonstrative adjective. And in the blank we will write here, what is the demonstrative adjective? The word these. In the second question, you will write the word these, because the word these is the word these here demonstrative adjective. Okay students, just write down the word these. Come to the next question, question number 3. Let's see what is question number 3. I do not like this dish. I do not like this dish. Okay students, this is the sentence. I do not like this dish. Okay students, just see here. I do not like this dish. Here the word this. Here the word this denote the dish. Here the word this is used to point out the dish. That I do not like this dish. I do not like this dish. Here the word this is what? Demonstrative pronoun, because here the word this is used to point out the dish. Therefore, in the blank we will write what? In the blank we will write what is demonstrative pronoun in this sentence? The word this. So students, just write down the word this is pronoun in this sentence. Okay? Come to the next question. Question number 4. We will see the question number 4. Would you like those flowers? Just see here. Would you like those flowers? Okay students, here there is question now. And would you like those flowers? Here those flowers. The word those flowers, those indicates those, the word those point out the flower. Here in this sentence, the word those point out the flowers. Would you like those flowers? Would you like those flowers? Here the word those is used to point out the flowers. Therefore, and it is also used, the word those is also used before the noun. Therefore, that is adjective. But what kind of adjective? And it is used to show something. Therefore, that is demonstrative adjective. So, in the blank, you have to point out, you have to pick out the word demonstrative word. Okay? Demonstrative adjective. So, what is here? Those. Just write down in the blank given. Okay, students, in the first question, you will fill that. In the second question, you will fill these. In the third question, you will fill this. In the fourth question, you will fill the word those. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 5. I am going to erase this. Okay, just see here. Question number 5. Just see the question number 5. What is question number 5? I have such things. I have such thing. I have such things. Dear students, I have told you there are 5 words that we generally use to point out something, that we generally use as a demonstrative adjective. The word this, that, these, those, and the word such. Here we are getting the word such. Here the word such is also used to show the things. Here the word such used to show the things. Therefore, the word such is demonstrative pronoun. Here we have to pick out we have to select the demonstrative word, demonstrative adjective in this sentence. So we will write here the word such in the blank. Okay, just fill the word such in the blank given in your book. Okay students, all these exercises you will fill in your book only, no need to write in the notebook. Okay, in the notebook you have written the definition, meaning of demonstrative adjective. So in the book you will fill these exercises. Okay, and come to the question number 6. Look at that tree. Look at that tree. Okay, look at that tree. That, look at that tree. Here the word that is used to point out the tree. Here the word that is used to point out the tree. Okay, so what is demonstrative pronoun? The word that is demonstrative pronoun. Therefore we will pick out, we will write the word that is here demonstrative adjective. Okay, here the word that is demonstrative adjective because it is used, the word that is used to point out the tree. Okay, therefore that is demonstrative adjective in the sentence. So we will write the that, we will write the word that in this sentence, in this question, in the given blank. Okay, so students, in this way we have completed the exercise number 2 in which we have to pick out the demonstrative adjective. And students, I hope that you all have understood this exercise, and that is very, very simple. Now we will discuss the exercise number 3. Just see the exercise number 3. In the exercise number 3, what is given here? Fill in the blanks with the appropriate forms of adjective. Here you have to fill the appropriate. Appropriate means suitable form of adjectives given in the brackets. Here you have to given the degrees. There are 3 degrees. I have told you: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Yes students, I have told you in the positive degree there is no comparison at all. Okay, that is the simple adjective you can say. There is no comparison with anyone. And in the comparative degree we compare one thing or one people with another people or another thing. Okay, there 2 peoples or 2 things involved. And in this how do we make comparative degree? By using by adding the word er to the positive degree, and we also use the word than, 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 to make the comparative degree. And what is superlative degree? In the superlative degree we compare one person, one people with more than 2 people, more than 2 things. It may be 100, maybe 1000, maybe infinite. Okay, and how do we make superlative degree? By adding est to the positive degree, and before the positive before the superlative degree we use the article the, the. Okay, and sometimes we use the word most before the positive degree. Okay students, you have written everything related to the degree of comparison in your notebook. You just revise that thing. Okay, whatever I have taught you, just revise that. If you will revise, then you can solve the exercises, all the exercises. You will solve all the exercises by your own. Okay, but I will complete the exercises. Just see. And the 3rd question. And what is the 3rd question? To select the suitable degree. Okay students, just see the question number 3rd. Just see here. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate forms of adjective. There are 3 forms of adjective: positive, comparative, and superlative. Just see the first question. Mount Everest is the ... mountain in the world. Here in this question helping words are also given here. The positive form. Okay, positive degree is already given. positive degree is already given high, and here the word the is used, therefore, and here we are comparing the mountain Everest with number of mountains that is in all over the world, therefore that is superlative degree. There we will use superlative degree. Just see the question. What is the question? Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the, there is blank mountain, mountain, in the world. In the world. Okay, student, this is your question, and in the helping box it is given what? In the helping box it is written what? High. In the helping box it is given the word high. Here you have to think, we have to think that what would be the suitable forms of adjective. Mount Everest is the is used. I have told you when do we use the article the? In the superlative degree. Here the positive degree is given high, and what would be the superlative degree of that? I have told you we will add est. We generally make the superlative degree by adding est to the positive degree. Here that is positive degree, so we will add here highest. Here est, it will become highest. Okay, high is there, we will add here est, it becomes what? Highest. Okay, students, so this is the superlative degree. In the first blank we will fill the word highest. So the sentence will be Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Okay, students, so just fill and come to the second question. The second question is wood. Wood is, there is a blank, than iron. This is the question, and in the box it is given the positive degree, that is light. Light is given, that is light. Okay, wood is, here the word than is used. I have told you that when do we use the word than? In the comparative form of degree. Okay, in the comparative degree. So just see, in this blank we will fill the wood is lighter. I have told you we add er to the comparative degree generally, so it will be lighter. Ligst is there, here we will add er, so the sentence will be wood is lighter than iron. Okay, so in the second blank you will fill the word lighter. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is what? Silk. Silk is, there is blank, than cotton. Than cotton. This is the question. In the blank what is given? Soft. Here in the blank it is given soft. S-O-F-T. Okay, students, and just see here. Again the word than we are getting. It means here we will use the comparative form of degree. Okay, comparative degree. Here we will use the comparative degree. Here the word positive degree is given soft. We will add here er, it becomes softer. So the word will be softer. Okay, the sentence will be silk is softer than cotton. Okay, students, so just fill the word softer in the question number 3 of exercise number 3. Okay, students, this is the exercise number 3. Okay, in the first question you will fill the highest, in the second question you will fill the lighter, in the third question we will fill the softer. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 4. Just see. What is question number 4? Sapna is the. Sapna is the. Here the word the is written. I hope that you all have understood what you have to fill. Girl in the class. Girl in the class. Okay, student, this is the question, and in the box it is given what? In the box is given intelligent. It is given intelligent. Intelligent. Okay, student, just see here. Here we have to make the superlative degree, because here we are getting the word the, article the, and I have told you that sometimes in superlative degree we do not add est. We cannot say intelligent test. Okay, I have told you sometimes we will add most before the positive degree to make the superlative form of the adjective. Okay, so here the Sapna is the is already written. It means we have to fill the superlative degree in this sentence. So what would be the most? And here the word is given intelligent. Most intelligent. Okay, just fill here. Sapna is the most intelligent girl in the class. Okay, so just fill the word. Just fill here. Sapna is the most intelligent girl in the class. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood what to do, what not to do, and come to the question number 5. And question number 5 is given this magazine. This magazine, dear students, in this magazine, what is the word this? What kind of adjective? Demonstrative adjective. Here the word this magazine. This is demonstrative adjective because it is used to denote the magazine. Okay, but our question is something different, so we will not pay attention on that. Come to the question. Magazine. This magazine is blank is there, then my storybook, then my storybook, then my story book. Okay, this magazine is, what is given in the box? Expensive. Expensive means costly, expensive. Here we cannot say we cannot add. Dear students, here we are getting the word than, so that is we will make here comparative form of degree. Okay, what would be the comparative form? As we add in the superlative the word most, dear students, pay attention. As we add superlative, in sometimes we add most for making the superlative. In the same way we will also add the word more to make the what? Comparative form of degree. So there will be more expensive. More expensive. Okay, in this blank, this magazine is more expensive than my storybook. Okay, students, just fill it. And in the next question, in the last question, just see the last question. What is the last question? I am going to erase it also. Just see here. Last question, question number 6. The elephant is ELEPHANT. The elephant is one of the blank is given here. Animals in the world. Animals in the world. Okay, students, this is the question. What is given in the blank? Strong. Okay, here in the blank, in the box it is given the strong. STRONG. Okay, just see here. One of the, we are getting here the article the, and when do we use the article the? In which degree? In the superlative degree. Okay, so here and we generally make superlative degree by adding est. So we will add here the word est. Strong, strong is positive. We will add here est, strongest animal in the world. Okay students, so we will fill here the word strongest. So the sentence will be, the elephant is one of the strongest animal in the world. Okay students, so this is all about the exercise number 3. Dear students, today we have completed the exercise number 2nd and 3rd. In the next class we will discuss the other exercises given in this chapter number 4. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you.